7820 Southwest, baby. Look at that big boy.
Oh yeah. Hopefully he'll be out of the way. Who else in the back?
Just Chris.
Okay.
Brake set. Good.
I'll get the batteries lining. Thanks.
Checklist. And, I checked ATIS. It says it's 23, and we'll double check it. And the window's calm, so we're good. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, walk around.
Walk around's complete.
Circuit breakers.
Circuit breakers are closed.
Weather circuit breaker.
Weather radar is full.
Aircraft logbook.
Aircraft logbook's on board.
Battery switch.
Battery switch is on.
Fire detection suppression.
Fire detection was tested.
Aircraft power.
Aircraft power was going off the APU.
Flat panel flaps.
Flat handle up.
Reverser levers.
Reverser stowed down.
Fuel levers.
Fuel levers cut off.
Speed brake lever.
Speed brake is down.
Parking brake.
Parking brake is set. Red light.
ATC transponder.
ATC transponder is a standby.
Landing gear handle.
Landing gear handle is down. We got 3 greens.
Auto brake selected.
Auto brake selected is off.
Multifunction display.
MFD I've got set.
Engine oil quantity.
Engine oil we've got 96, 97.
Fuel quantity.
Fuel we got 9,000, 5 and 4. Or 5 and 5.
Hydraulic quantity.
Hydraulics we got 92, 105.
Master dim and test.
Master dim and test. Master dim and test is complete. Good.
Alternate steering.
Alternate steering is normal position, guarded.
IRS.
Ailerons are lining now. We've got 4 minutes.
Fuel cross feed.
Fuel cross feed is closed.
Fuel boost pumps.
Fuel boost pumps on as required.
Galley cab utility power.
Galley cab utility power is off but on. We're gonna put on logo light.
Alright. Emergency exit lights.
Mercy lights off.
Ignition select.
Ignition select is in both.
Cockpit voice recorder.
Cockpit voice recorder. Test. Green light.
Door warning lights.
Door warning lights. All lights are out.
System A hydraulic pumps.
System A hydraulic pumps off, but we're gonna go on. We're not on the toe.
No longer under tow.
Okay.
System B hydraulic pumps.
System B on.
System brake PSI.
System brake PSI. We've got 3,000.
EEC switches.
EEC switches on.
Packs.
Packs We got it on right now to cool the cabin down, but once we get ready, we'll go off.
Isolation valve.
Isolation valve is an auto.
AP bleed.
AP bleed is on.
Engine bleeds.
Engine bleeds are off.
Dual bleed light.
Dual bleed light is out.
Outflow valve.
Outflow valve is open.
Anti-collision light.
Anti-collision is on.
Position light.
Position light is on.
Master caution.
Master caution. Reset.
Radios.
Good. You've got the radios. Oh, go back to 6.5. That was for ATIS. I'll just, yeah.
Load check.
Taxiway Lima Fatima, taxiway Lima Fatima. Entrance to Ram 6 South, closed. Temperature range 12 for marine sea level 113, mild whiskey runway 26 left. Bird activity vicinity of airport. Land and cold short operations in effect. Operate transponder. With mode Charlie on the ramp, taxiways and runways advise on initial contact. You have information lever. Atlanta Airport arrival information lever 08520. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Your clouds at 13,000. Temperature 23. 2.1 liner. Altimeter 3005.
Set. Our N1 limits of 96.3.
96.3.
Yep.
Good. Alright, radios are set, ATIS is checked, airport diagram.
We got it right behind. We're at the Southwest Hangar. We're going to reposition to the east end of Echo for a vibe run.
Alright, number 1 and number 2 engine
Yes. Yep.
We got 3 on board. After we get done, we got to call ops and go to
Charlie 6.
Charlie 6.
In case of emergency, I have control of the aircraft. You have the radios. Contact ground. Request assistance. There's 3 patrols on board, so we'll exit opposite of the emergency and just stand clear of the aircraft.
Good. Alright.
Wait for the nav. I'll wait for this
We
first.
got 1 minute.
Let's go to nav. There we go. Kill the packs.
Packs are off. AP bleeds on. Isolation valve auto.
I'm gonna start number 2 first.
Alright.
Good.
Number 2 is clear to start.
Alright.
Hydraulic pumps are all on. Brake PSI is 3,000.
Starting 2. Start valve is open. Into rotation. Got oil pressure. N1. N2. 30%. Start lever. Fuel flow, light off. Low oil pressure light went out. Nice steady climb. Started cutout 56%. Start valve is closed. 246. Drive light is out. Gen 2, 403 freaks, and 116 volts. Okay. Good start number 2. Alright, start number 1.
Clear 1.
Yep, clear on 1. start valve is open. Into rotation. Got oil pressure. Got N1. Adding start lever. Okay. Fuel flow, EGT light off. Low oil pressure light is out. Nice steady climb. Starter cut out at 56%. Start valve is closed. 246. Drive light for number 1 is out. Gen 1, we got 396 and 115 volts. Looks good. Alright, we can get the packs going, cool it down a little bit. I'll test the brakes and steering.
Packs on.
Got your numbers ready to go.
26 left via Echo, hold short of Charlie, affirmative, American 1984.
Roger, we'll get you flow out to Charlotte.
I've got steering. Brakes are good.
Ready for me to call?
Yeah. Taxi light is on.
Land ground, Southwest maintenance 820 at the Southwest Hangar.
Southwest maintenance, what was your numbers again?
820.
Southwest maintenance 820. Left on Alpha, hold short of runway 26 right at Charlie.
Left on Alpha, hold short of runway 26 right at Charlie, Southwest maintenance 820. We would like to repeat position, please stay back on high power run.
Roger.
Everything good?
Oh yeah.
Alright, we're ready?
To the left.
Airshow 698, Atlanta clearance, good morning, clear to Dallas via the Jack 2 or nav departure. Callan transition is filed. Climb maintain 10,000, squawk 3141. Airshow 698, we're back correct. You too, I'll talk to you in a bit. American 1994, you're released at 26.
26, American 1994.
26 right at Charlie.
Correct.
This puppy wants to go.
Have a good day.
Yeah. I've got an idle.
Final ground, 20 Yankee, holding the closed portion of taxiway lane.
Plane is 820, Charlie, cross from right 26 right, traffic's on a 2.5 mile final.
At Charlie, cross 26 right, Southwest Minus 820.
Delta plane is 820, cross from right 26 left, join Echo.
Cross 26 left, join Echo, Southwest Minus 820.
And the vehicle's calling with Lima, say again.
Unclear left.
Anybody else code ground?
Right. Crossing 26 left, joining Echo.
Correct.
American 1994, continue out and monitor tower 119.1.
Continue out, monitor 19-1, American 1994.
Like hot mic.
Yeah. Hot mic.
Ground 20 Yankee, holding you the close position of Lima.
Maintenance. Ramp 5, how copy? 817 on Echo 4.
I have 2 calling at once, 20 Yankee ground.
Yes, I'd like to join the taxiway Lima to the east, giving way to all taxiing aircraft, holding short of all active runways, plus 2.
20 Yankee plus 2 pursuit is requested.
The Yankee proceeding is requested, plus 2.
Anyone else called?
American. Maintenance 816 on Echo 4, ramp 5, how copy?
Maintenance 817, our user for Atlanta ground.
Yes, ma'am, I'm trying to move gate to gate. What's the frequency for ramp 5?
Let's see, I think it's, 129.37 for ramp tower.
12937, thank you.
You're welcome.
And turn around and face
Yeah.
west.
Face west, yeah.
Got an American maintenance behind us. Look further back, he's trying to get by on our right.
Let's go right here. Parking brake is set. Yep. Stop